Hope you're doing well. So here is a tutorial on how to learn and earn using this simple site of earning the TRX coin, the Tron coin. So first, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video and share this video to more people. And if you don't have an account, the link is in bio and the description. Click the link, register using your email, and this is how one registers. So as you can see, we have the sign up button. You'll just come, enter your username, your email, your password, you repeat the password. And if you don't have a referral code, the referral code is binded in the invite link, or if you want to place the referral code on its own, it's there in the description and comment section. Go copy it, then come and paste it there. Then after we have the captcha, you will make sure the captcha has that green tick, and then you sign up. For I have my account ready, registered, so I'll just log in. First I'll wait for the captcha to verify that I'm a human. If now it's successful, then I log in. Just as simple as that. After logging in, you will land to this home page. This home page shows you what this site is all about. Here you earn free trons by taking surveys to earn more trons and increase your level. To receive the rewards from hourly faucets, please fill the correct captcha and press claim button. The amount of free TRX that you earn will depend on your level and paid out according to the table below. Your level is Tron. To reach the next level, please play our games. You need to play the games in this app so that you may level up. The more you play the games, the more the amount of coins you're using. So the moment you reach the targets that you've been allocated, you just level up. As simple as that. That's how you earn through this app. Let's go. First, you click the left top corner of the screen. You have a drop down list of the activities of this TronLux app. You have the games where you can play games to maximize your chances of earning in this app. So as you can see, as it's loading, here are the games. You just select any game, then you play. First, before you play, we have several settings. As you can see at the right side of the play button, you have the number 3. You just click it and select the number of mines. The mines are bomb-like things where they will be placed in the game. After you select to just play, you click play, then that's the mine. The moment it blows up, your level has been defaulted. You must play again so that you may at least earn some coins. You collect them, you play, you earn some coins, you collect them. Remember, the higher the number of coin you are using, the higher the number of coins you earn, because the more you earn, it multiplies. Remember, the earn option of this game, and the trick is, the more the mines, which are the bombs, the more the multiplier. But the less the mines, the less the multiplier. Hope you've got me clear. That's how this game works, and all the other games, they revolve in the same concept. So you just engage and earn more coins through the game. So the second option is by depositing. As you can see, to deposit TRX in your account, you can either scan the QR code or copy the TRX wallet address. Ensure that the wallet you are using is TRC20 network. Then enter the amount of the TRX you want to deposit and confirm the transaction. Please double check the address and the amount before confirming. The transaction will be credited after one confirmation. So here we are using the TRC20 Tron, the Tron, and the Tron symbol is the one at the top of the screen where the balance is, the red one. So you just select TRC20, then you copy the address, then you go to the crypto exchange platform like Binance. After doing so, you will just have to go where your assets are. For example, my assets are here in the wallet. Then you, after reaching where your assets are, you click send, then you withdraw asset. As you can see, you just search the TRX, then you paste the code, the address. It will auto match. You see the address, then it will confirm to that is TRC20 Tron. Then the minimal withdrawal is 20 TRX. For now, I don't have any balance, but if it's, they have said the minimal, here you can withdraw at least when I say 5, but the minimal is 20, just $6. After doing so, you withdraw. After withdrawing, you click the withdraw, then you go back to the site and you will see, you go where your funds are. Here you will see here where your wallet is, and you refresh. After refreshing, you will see the update where your balance will be updated according to how you deposited from the crypto exchange platform. It's just simple. Then you will just use that balance to continue playing games and leveling up, and the more you level up, the more you earn. So after you earn, there's the withdraw button. So here you select the TRC20. How do you do it? You go back to the crypto exchange platform like Binance, Bybit, BitGet. For you just deposit. You're now depositing to Binance. So you'll just click the deposit button, go home, just click the deposit. After clicking the deposit button, you just search Tron, then you click Tron. After clicking Tron, you will see that you have two, but we'll be using the TRX, the TRC20. Then we copy the address, then you go back to the site. After going back to the site, we'll be pasting. Go to the withdraw. After you withdraw, you confirm the network is TRC20, then you paste the address. Then if you want to select the minimal amount, it's 5, which is $1. But if you want to maximize the maximum amount, you just click, then you click withdraw. But here the threshold is 5 TRX. You must have the 5 TRX in your hand so that you withdraw. Then you click withdraw, and these funds will be sent to your crypto exchange platform, and the update of the balance will just be seen there automatically when the funds arrive in the crypto exchange platform. That's how this site works. And the last activity is the survey. This is where you come and take surveys, and after taking those surveys, for now there is no survey. The moment they are allocated, you just take them. After doing them, the balance will be allocated to your wallet. As simple as that. And last but not least is the affiliate. You being an affiliate, this is where people register using your link, and the moment they start using the app, you earn a particular commission. For example, here you get a 50% commission from each and every coin that or amount of TRX somebody earns. So if you have 50 people, and each and every person is earning, in those 50 people will be earning 50% from each and every one. Then all those commissions that you've earned, you will be seeing them. As far as now, I have no commissions because I've not referred to anyone, or there's no any sign-ups using my link. So remember, for you to have this account, that link is in the comment section and the description. Click it, register, and start maximizing and earning this coin. So that's how this site works, and hope this tutorial has found you well. And if you find it helpful, kindly make sure you share it, and remember, subscribe to this channel, like the video, and share it. So thank you for watching, and click the notification bell so that whenever I am posting such kind of content, you just get the notification and get to learn and earn using this channel of mine. So thank you for your time, and see you in the next video.